what is up, Crockxen clan members, Elysian League fans, and others who have stumbled upon this video. I am SoresanCrockxen, and today we are here with week 5 of the Elysian League GBA, and my opponent is fucking Joey. Why did it have to be Joey before the bye week? Honestly, I kind of prefer it because then I would be able to adjust myself accordingly. So I brought some interesting sets today. I have a, well, I mean, not really. I mean, Bagonlona I've used Scarfed already, but I have one specifically this week because I kind of saw that I beat a lot of his upper Pokemon. So I brought a full-on offense, Fire Blast, Giga Drain, Psychic, Bug Buzz on this Bagonlona, which deals with a lot of the stuff on his team. Like, it can take care of the Excadrill, because I do outspeed it, even if he is Scarfed. I can take care of the Slowbro, I can take care of the Sableye, I can take care of well, the Zangoose too, but Zangoose didn't come in, and neither did Sock, but you know, it's okay. I brought a specially defensive Cradily, specifically for Jolteon and Aromatisse. I brought a pretty much offensive, it's Spadef, but offensive Cradily, Giga Drain, Rock Slide, Sludge Wave, Recover. A Air Balloon Registeel, so that I can take, you know, make sure I can get hazards out without I have to worry about the Excadrill. Rest, in case I get burned by the Sableye. And also to get recover some HP because I don't have leftovers. Iron Head to hit the Aromatisse potentially if I need to, and then Earthquake is for the Excadrill and the Mega, or not, well, yeah, Mega Steelix and mainly the Jolteon. I am especially defensive with a lot of defense investments. And then here we have a Will-O-Wisp, Shadow Ball, Rest, Infestation. For the Excadrill mainly, to deal with, you know, burn it and then trap it, and then I have Rest in order to recover some HP. I have a Defog Latios with Psyshock, Draco Meteor, and Recover. It's kind of offensive Defog, and then I have, you know, standard Crocoon, all that stuff. Alright, I think I'm gonna lead off with Bagonlona, mainly due to the fact that, like I said, I do outspeed everything on his team, and ooh, the Jolteon. I'm not gonna stay in. He's probably gonna go for like Volt Switch or whatever. I'm gonna go out to Cradily here, as I completely eat that up. What do I want to predict here? I'm gonna go for Giga Drain. He cannot have this nickname. Okay, that is so. Is it go for the Iron Head here? I'm gonna go out to Cactus here. He's probably gonna set up his rocks. I'm gonna go for the Infestation here. Just in case. Well, I just want to see what he wants to do. Alright, so the Infestation has happened. He is officially trapped here. I'm gonna go for the Will-O-Wisp. So this thing is now burnt, and yep, now this Mega Steelix is pretty much gone. And then we go for a Shadow Ball. Nice. Oh, he has Rest. Interesting. Okay. Does he have Sleep Talk too? I mean, I have Rest too, so it doesn't even matter. This is weird. This is a speed tie. Let me see. Oh, he's dead. He's dead. Unless I lose the speed tie here. What is with these nicknames? Hello? Cradily here. Like I said, I did bring. Can't have these names. This man over here with these nicknames. I'm for a Giga Drain in case he goes out to Steelix again. As he goes out to the Sableye. Okay. What to do here? What to do here? What does he go for? Why would he send out Sableye and Cradily? I'm gonna go out to Registeel. Perfect. Set up my rocks. Perfect. And then we go back out to Crapagus here. He's gonna go for a rest again. That is just fine. Like I said, I can just do this all day. So, Infestation again. Whatever he decides to bring in is not going to have fun here. As he goes out to the Aromatisse. I can live a hit, so that's fine. I'm gonna go for Will-O-Wisp here. That way I can, you know, slowly wear this thing down. Because of course. Why does he have these nicknames? I have no idea. It's kind of messed up. Aromatherapy. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. This is gonna be the stalliest battle in the freaking world. Go for Will-O-Wisp again. Draining Kiss. I don't even know what Aromatherapy Veil does. To be perfectly honest. I got a special defense drop, please? Jesus. I'm going off for all these damn Shadow Balls. Going for Infestation again. Perfect! This is the mon I wanted to trap. Oh my goodness. Thank Lord. Okay, go for Will-O-Wisp again. Substitute? What the fuck? Oh, hell no. I can't let anything die here. Go out to Registeel. Predicting the Earthquake. This is bad. This is bad. This is bad. This is bad. Substitute sword. He doesn't have steel type move. It did so much damage. I need to calc this real quick. Okay, so this is where it gets kind of scary because I essentially have to hit a Fire Blast on Volcarona. And that is a scary, scary thing to think about. But, I'm gonna go for it. Oh, thank God. Excadrill is gone. Whew. Oh my goodness. Thank the Lord. I'm gonna go out to Latios? No, I'll go out to Registeel here. He's probably gonna go for Volt Switch, but that's okay. I'll just work around it. I still have Crapagus at a good enough HP for the Steelix, and yeah, so we'll go from there. That did way too much damage. Who does he go out to? I'm pretty sure I can take a hit from any of these things. I outspeed Steelix. I should at least. So I'll be able to get off a rest. As he goes out to the Slowbro. Okay. And my fucking... Damn it. Shit. Joey, you can't do this to me. Let's go for a Draco Meteor. That did nothing. Okay, I lived. Let me get rid of these hazards real quick. I don't want, this is bad. This is really, really bad. I gotta let Latios die. Fuck! Give me a crit. Nope. This is so bad. He has freaking Shadow Ball. He's at +3. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be annoying. That did way too much damage. Holy crap. Give me the burn. Thank you, Lord. Can I live another one? I don't know. This is scary. That's doing way too much. This is doing way too much damage. I'm really scared right now. Damn it! I'm dead. I'm actually dead. Unless I get like a calm mind right now. Thank the Lord. Hello? Oh, fuck me. I have to hope for a freaking critical hit here. Fuck. I lost. Well, I pretty much, I'd given up a long time ago. Fucking shit. Shadow Ball on a fucking Slowbro. The substitute on the freaking Extra definitely threw me off. It fucking threw me off. Now I need 6 paths to lose. I swear to God. I'm honestly mad right now. I really am. I literally came prepared for everything, and then fucking I don't know. This is he had set up on everything. What the fuck? Like seriously? I don't know, man. This was I'm actually upset about this match. I really am. I definitely could have won. I don't even think would a Fire Blast have even killed? I don't know. I don't know if Fire Blast would have killed the Jolteon. And then he had fucking Calm Mind on a freaking Slowbro. And then Shadow Ball. Like, what the fuck am I supposed to do to that? Psyshock, would Psyshock have done even more? I don't know. I think I made the mistake when I let Cradily die, because that was my best counter for Slowbro. Although I should have like let Registeel die, because there was no reason to keep him. Or let something else die, obviously. I don't know. This was if Six Path loses, I might still be at the top. Maybe. We'll see. Because I still have the second highest. I would still have this. I mean, if Six Path loses, I have the highest score. If he wins, I still have the second, so I'll be fine. But damn, I definitely played horrible. I should have definitely saved my Cradily. I don't know why I didn't. I should have definitely probably ran Toxic on Registeel, so I could whittle down that Slowbro. I don't know. We'll see how this goes. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'm SoresanCrockxen. I'll see you guys in future videos.